So, hello everyone. My name is Edward Majdalany, and I am the head of marine and aviation for a company called Centtrip. So, Centtrip is an award-winning, high-growth financial technology company that specializes in real-time, intelligent treasury management solutions. The people we work with, we work with a very large portfolio of different types of global companies, typically ones that have very complex treasury requirements. So whether it's having global offices, whether they have staff that travel, for example, we give them complete visibility and control of all of their finances via one centralized platform, which really provides cost reductions, but more importantly, it provides a lot of time efficiencies for that specific client. So sectors where we've become quite prominent, so marine and aviation being one of them. So a subcategory of marine, we work with yacht management, for example. Quite happy to say we work with around 2,000 super yachts that use us for all the treasury management. So whether it's, for example, high balance corporate multi-currency cards for the captains, they might need to pay 150,000 for fuel, for example, very high transactions, or on champagne, you'll be surprised. Or they might have a payment requirement, so they might need to do payroll services for the crew. Or a family office might be acquiring a new asset and needs help with a hedging strategy to de-risk themselves from the currency fluctuations. Another sector, we do a lot in music, film production. So music, we're proud to work with around 500 award-winning artists, of which 150 are Grammy Award winners. I'm sure you've all heard of them. Similar, they use us for tour management, so they'll have cards to manage all of the tour expenses, as well the FX, so international tour revenues. We might have a client that's got a tour for about 12 months and they have 50 million in various currencies they need a hedging strategy for, and that's what we provide. I'm actually just going to go ahead and log into your account. So you can set up as many online users as you wish. Obviously, some treasury teams may have quite a lot of different online users. You can set up different approval processing, so similar to a bank around payments, etc. This is the dashboard, so every time you log in. So the first thing you'll see is you can hold up to 15 different currencies all simultaneously in one place. Okay. Security is key. We're not a bank, we are heavily regulated, but we still have to rely on custodial tier 1 banks, so we operate with 3 at the moment. Okay. If I scroll to the bottom of this account, you'll notice there's a Centtrip card section. This account only has 1 card. You can have as many cards as you wish attached to an account. If I click the card, you'll notice it is a multi-currency MasterCard product. So all the currencies you can hold on your main account, you can actually hold them simultaneously just on a single card. So what that means for you is when you travel, it allows you to spend in local currency at all times. Typically, savings could be anywhere between 3 to 7%. If I scroll to the top here, so this drop-down menu is very important. This gives you the ability to create multiple cost centers or sub-accounts, dependent. I mean, as an example, a global company might have offices in different countries. They have the ability to set up a centralized treasury platform with different accounts, sub-accounts. So if I click on this account, you'll notice this is a unique account in its own right. So the balances are unique, all the historical transactions is unique, and if I scroll to the bottom, you'll notice this card program is different as well. So there's 2 cards attached to this account. Okay. Linking this to payments, so between all of your sub-accounts, cost centers, you have the ability to move money instantly, free of charge, 24/7, because you're not having to actually rely on the standard banking cut-off times. For us, it is simply just a ledger balance movement. You also have the ability to send money to another Centtrip user. So you might have a supplier that you're paying on a frequent basis. You can actually invite them to connect. We'll do the due diligence, we'll set them up. Once they're connected, you can receive and send money instantly, free of charge, 24/7. And who doesn't like to receive money in real time? It's that simple. Finally, the last piece to the puzzle is the ability to spend money. So going back to the demographics, the Centtrip card, it is a prepaid MasterCard, which was usually focused on the subprime market. The card can hold up to 350,000 euros per day. or equivalent in any of the other 15. Single transaction of up to 175,000. So quite high capabilities. This is how it works. Choose a currency, send it. You choose the amount, and that will release instantly.